दिस इज़ वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड इवेंट જે હું અત્યારે કવર કરી રહી છું અને આ કોઈ જસ્ટ અનધર એક્ઝિબિશન નથી. અહીંયા જેટલા પણ આપણને એક્ઝિબિટર દેખાય છે બધા જ એન્ટરપ્રિન્યોર છે, બધા વિમેન એન્ટરપ્રિન્યોર છે અને એ પોતાનો જે સર્વિસીસ છે અહીંયા એક જગ્યાએ 20 જેટલા વિમેન એન્ટરપ્રિન્યોર સર્વિસીસને પ્રમોટ કરી રહ્યા છે, એક્ઝિબિટ કરી રહ્યા છે. એન્ડ શું છે વધારે ડિટેલ્સ, લેટ્સ સી.
Hello everyone, I am Neeta Tharwani. We are here exhibiting today our service industry people from Evolved Women community. Women entrepreneurs who are showing and showcasing their services to the entire service and every people out here. So please do visit. We are here at Mosaic Gallery from 11 to 7 p.m. and it is for today only.
Perfect.
Yeah, hi, I am Mamta Tomar from MSN Finsure. I represent my brand MSN Finsure and we are into financial planning of an individuals with the help of life insurance, health insurance and mutual funds. And our USP is as per the individual needs we decide and help people to plan for their future financial goals.
Yeah. And you can visit ma'am personally at the show and get consultation.
Yeah, sure. Please do visit us.
So I work as a makeup artist and I'm also an educator. So my USP is no makeup look and I do all sort of makeup as well. But my USP is no makeup look. And currently I'm taking self-grooming classes as well. You can see it over here. So there's an offer going on right now. What is the offer? So if you book it today, it would be of $14.99, which is the initial price is of $3,000, but you can get it in just $1,500, I would say. Yeah.
Hi, I am Akruti Panchal and I'm the owner at a Twisted Culture. Basically, our firm does social media marketing wherein we try and uplift the basic social media platforms. So we do it on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, wherever you want to do it. Plus, we already tell people that we have our product photo shoot studios. So we do it at a very competitive rates than the market prices. So if someone would like to do it, they can contact us. Thank you.
This is Barkha Sultania from Artham Finexperts. We do all types of loan services, government subsidies, project finance. Looking for any type of loan, we are here to help you.
Hello, I am Raju Lingole. I am representing my brand, My Copper Joints, that is hashtag my MCJ. These are all the different companies joints that we are manufacturing. So you can connect me to someone who are either interior designers or AC dealers. Thank you.
Kathy Mehta, the founder of EduFame Consulting. So basically we provide the services to the students who are looking for undergraduate study or master's studies overseas. Whether it is US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, will help you to reach there and to top universities. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dhara Parikh. I am a clinical hypnotherapist and a regression therapist. I work on all kind of psychological, mental, energetic, that is metaphysical and emotional blocks. वो सब 2 या 3 sessions में depending upon the depth of the issue, I treat them. And this is one of the most beautiful therapies in which the client has the capacity to say no. Like अगर उन्हें कुछ नहीं बताना मुझे थेरेपी में, तो that control उनके पास रहता है. Awareness is grace.
Myself Mamta Shah. I am representing my firm Infinity Investments and we are into the wealth management services. Like we provide mutual fund SIP services, life insurance, general insurance. It covers every aspect of insurance and investments. So it is one-stop solution for your all investment needs, like a child's plan, retirement plan, everything.
Myself Shrupti K. Bangira. I am representing my brand Travel Pay Holidays OPC Private Limited. We are in the market from last 22 years. I have been doing domestic and international packages worldwide. Please contact us for a customized vacation before anyone else does. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Kevna Joshi. My firm name is Kevna Says That. I represent tarot card reading and coaching. I am into this field since 18 plus year. I have won my international awards also, and I love teaching and coaching tarot card reading. People who want to experience the art of reading, who has some confusion or they are unable to progress in their life, so we help them to to find their solutions and give the best accurate answers to them.
Hi, I'm Kruti Shah and I'm representing the Hive, which is a creative space for alternative learning. Basically, we have across the board, we have more than 150 different programs for different age groups and interest areas, from board games to theatre to martial arts to financial literacy programs. We also provide our space to artists, makers, performers, exhibitors who are looking for a cozy venue for their events. So come check us out at the Hive in Satellite area. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं भारती वर्मा आनंद उत्सव अहमदाबाद से। आनंद उत्सव जिसका मोटो ही है लोगों के जीवन में आनंद और उत्सव को लेकर आना, और आज यहाँ पर इस आनंद और उत्सव को मैं आपके जीवन में लेकर आऊँगी एनर्जी वर्क से। एनर्जी वर्क यानी कि ऑकल्ट साइंस, यानी कि ऑकल्ट साइंस में हम बात करें तो वास्तु, एस्ट्रोलॉजी एंड न्यूमरोलॉजी, इन तीनों के कॉम्बिनेशन में जब हम एस्ट्रो वास्तु करते हैं, न्यूमरो वास्तु करते हैं, अपने नाम को अपने बर्थ डेट से मैच करते हैं और वास्तु में पंच महाभूत को 16 दिशाओं में बैलेंस करते हैं, तो जीवन में सुख, समृद्धि और सेहत के द्वार खुलते हैं। क्या आप ये द्वार खोलना चाहेंगे?
So hi everyone, my name is Dr. Umangi and I'm founder and partner at Kids Dental Studio, which is an exclusive pediatric dental clinic in Ahmedabad. We are located near Navrang Circle and we cater to the dental problems of all the kids from birth till teens. Apart from our clinical practice, we also do collaborative workshops at our place. We also have field trips and field visits at our clinic, wherein we invite schools and preschools along with their kids, and we also do school dental health programs for the preschools and schools. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Hi, I am Urvashi Nayak, founder of NextNext Intellect Expert Solution. Every country is racing towards becoming a knowledge-based economy. So I am here to help the youth and the people of India to how they can help contribute towards making your country a knowledge-based economy. I am an intellectual property expert. You can connect with me for knowing more about it. IP can be valued, it can be leveraged for commercial use. So get in touch with me.
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanvi Hirani, gums and implant specialist. My clinic is Dental Line Family Dental Care, which is there in Bodakdev since 9 years. We provide all the kind of basic and advanced dental treatments with all the latest equipments. Second thing, we manufacture this invisible braces called the aligners. We have the manufacturing company called 3D Align. So we can provide you the aligners at very cost effective rates. So do visit my clinic, Dental Line Bodakdev.
My name is Dr. Lipi Shah and I am running a clinic, Alvin Aquahil Multi-Speciality Physiotherapy and Aquatic Therapy Clinic. So basically we provide home service, aquatic therapy service and physiotherapy service for all joint pain and neurological condition and for well-being also. Yeah, free BMI checkup, that is body mass index. So according to your age and your height, what should be your weight, we are describing this. Yeah.
Book your girls trip now. Ma'am, what does this mean?
Hi, I'm Kanchana Nirmal, travel curator of Travelcations, a company which curates your dreams into vacations as per your budget, your choice of places and your requirements. We are into total curation, whether it's a national or international trip or a small weekend getaway for girls. So do contact us.
So basically I am dentist by profession and મારા ક્લિનિકનું નામ છે મહારાજા મલ્ટી સ્પેશિયાલિટી ડેન્ટલ ક્લિનિક. વી આર સિચ્યુએટેડ એટ જીવરાજ મેટ્રો સ્ટેશન. જીવરાજ મેટ્રો સ્ટેશનની એક્ઝેક્ટલી સામે છે. એન્ડ માય સ્પેશિયાલિટી ઇઝ સમથિંગ રિલેટેડ વિથ યોર જોઝ. મોંમાં અલ્સરેશન્સ જે થઈ જતા હોય છે, કેન્સર લીઝન્સ હોય છે, ટોબેકો ચુઅર્સ, સ્મોકર્સ જેને વિથડ્રો નથી કરી શકતા હેબિટ્સ, તો વી ડુ સચ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ્સ. અને એના સિવાય કોઈ પણ દાંતને લગતી તકલીફ હોય then you can contact us. So the aligners or a root canal or implant, anything and everything we do.
We have Ank Shastra here. Hi ma'am.
Hello.
So how are you helping people today?
See, I'm a numerologist. My brand name is Ank Shastra 9. We help people with the numbers because numbers have lots and lots of potential to bring and uplift the career. Right.
So they are helping people with the numbers. You can even visit them personally and get your consultation.
Yes, numerology is mainly important for name, fame, growth, prosperity, and inner peace. And all the calculations are done only and only on date of birth.
Right, only on date of birth they get all the calculations done and help you find out the problems and then the solutions, right?
And our USP is clients getting results in very short period of time.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Moving on. Yes, ma'am. Hi.
Hi.
So, आज हम कैसे